Today we will start Python while loops. Python has two primitive loop commands. First one is while loop. While loop. Second one is for loop. For loop. So first one while loop. With the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. Condition is true. This is called while loop. I will show you an example in ideally. So this is my ideally. In ideally, I am writing I equal to 1. Next to write while statement while I less than 6. This is my condition. Next we print statement. Print of I. Next I am writing I increment statement equal to increment is equal to 1. Wait, I will write again. Here is the some problem. Yeah, coming or not output. This is the output. A small problem because I plus equal some giving space. That is the syntax error. So again we'll write save example. This is my example and output will be come. Note, remember to increment I. Remember to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. The while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. In this example, we need to define an indexing variable. Indexing variable I is I, which we set to 1.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.